everyone, I hope you're all having a great week. In today's video, I just wanted to announce the launch of my Patreon page. I want to thank you first for all the support I have received here on YouTube. I really enjoy reading all of your lovely comments and messages, and I hope that I can keep making content for you that you'll enjoy watching. With your help on Patreon, I can keep making videos for you and add more content that you want to see, like more interesting recipes or crafts or even more in-depth tutorials. Your pledges will be basically helping me buy ingredients and materials for more videos and for the small gifts I'm going to be giving you if you become a patron. So if you would like to support the channel, I will be leaving a link to the Patreon page below in the description box. Now if you do become a patron, I will be going over the benefits you get on each tier. The first tier is called Acorn. This is for patrons who pledge $1. You will get early access to YouTube videos, printable recipes, or DIY instructions in PDF format, and as a recipe card you can download. You will also have access to patron-only posts and polls so you can help me decide on future content. Additionally, you will receive a coupon code to get 15% off any items on my Etsy store. Everything for sale I personally handmade and designed myself. I will also be leaving a link to that in the description box if you would like to see the items I have for sale. The second mushroom tier is for those pledging $5. You will receive all of the previously mentioned benefits plus access to patron-only videos such as tutorials, Q&As, and behind-the-scenes posts. The third tier Foxglove is for those pledging $10 per month. Again, you receive everything previously mentioned, plus a recipe booklet in the mail every 2 months that will include recipes I post on here and some that aren't available on the channel yet. Every time my shop is updated, I will also let you pick out a small gift from it, or I will send you a handmade gift myself. In addition, you will receive in the mail art prints and postcards every month that I illustrated. In the $20 tier Elderberry, you receive all of the previous benefits, plus as a thank you, I will give you credit as my patron on all my YouTube videos in the description box. You will also get any larger merch like cups or tumblers every 3 months. The top tier called Oak is for patrons who pledge $55 or more. You receive all of the benefits and credit in my YouTube videos, plus you will receive by mail what I am calling the Creative Cabinet. This is a box filled with the main materials used in the arts and crafts videos for that month with a few extra gifts so that you can start creating things at home yourself. I will be leaving all of the links below if you would like to become a patron. Again, thank you so much for your help and support. I really appreciate it, and I hope that I can keep making good content for you that you'll enjoy.